WTDVO058. Name: Jen Mary Esperon. 33 years old. Single. Have 2 children. Education: BS Computer Engineer. College graduate. Have 2 years experience as a domestic helper in the Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
I'm Jane Esperon, 33 years old, graduate of Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, have 2 children.
Location: place. How far? Many hours of travel going to Manila.
1 hour and 30 minutes.
Tell me something about your family background.
My father is a retired military and my mother is a plain housewife.
If with children, who will take care of them?
My parents will be the ones to take care. Okay.
Tell me something about your DH experience.
Okay, I have a 2 years experience from Cagayan de Oro.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to be learned.
What are your hobbies?
Cleaning the house, cooking, and washing cars.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby or elderly?
Yes.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
First, clean the bottle, bring to boil, then put the milk and water, hot water.
If the baby still keeps crying, what will you do?
Change the diaper.
If the baby has a fever, what will you do?
Get a thermometer and check if she has fever.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes.
Sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Thank you. Do you have any other talent?
No.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
If I feel homesick, then I will get busy with my work.
If one of your family member will get sick, will you break the contract? What will you do?
No, because I already signed it.
What could you teach the children?
I teach them with a good manner and to be a God-fearing.
How long can you work in Hong Kong? And why Hong Kong?
2 years. I chose Hong Kong because I know the people there are kind and respectful.
Thank you.